Here's how to change the language on your Amazon app. Now open up the Amazon app, and if you wanted it in a different language than the current one, keep in mind there are two different ways to do that. You can do that within the app by tapping on the little person at the bottom left. Now, this will by default detect the country and language that your iPhone or Android is currently in. But if you wanted to change that language, all you need to do is tap on the little flag at the top right where it says English. And now from here, I can tap on language and choose a different language like Spanish or something like that. Now, keep in mind, if I am on here and I wanted to go and change the language to something else, say I wanted to change it to French, it will pop up and say French is not available in the United States. Choose from an available country. So let's say I'm in Canada and I wanted to change it to France or French in Canada. And then just tap on that button. However, you can also just go into the settings app of your phone, tap on general, and then scroll down and tap on language and region. A lot of times the Amazon app will just pull the language and region from your iPhone or Android, so you can change it on here and it will by default change it on Amazon too.